Hi everyone, this is an introductory video for those who are going to take commerce in class 11, and here I am going to talk in brief about subject accountancy. The subject accountancy is one of the core subjects in commerce, and you all have to study this subject in class 11. And for many of you, this subject is going to be a new subject in class 11 because many of you have not studied this subject in class 10 and below. You must be wondering whether this subject is difficult, hard or boring. But let me tell you, the subject accounts is interesting and it's going to be interesting for you all because it is more of practical than theoretical. It is also interesting because it uses basic concepts of maths like addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, percentage, and I'm pretty sure that you all know this basic operation in maths. So you don't need to be afraid of mathematical aptitudes required in this subject. It is also interesting because it is related to our everyday life, because it has a relation with money and we all use money in our everyday life. It is important for everyone, for students, for any individual, business organization or non-business organization. Let's see how important it is for students to know accounts. The very basic example is that you get pocket money from your parents and you have to know how much of money you are going to get from your parents and how are you going to spend this money. You will be spending this money in different ways and you have to know exactly how are you going to spend this money. It also becomes important to keep trace of money that you are spending. It is always better if you keep record of how much of money you are spending on what, how much of money you have spent on fancy dinner or something, or on entertainment, movie, so on. It also becomes very important to keep track of your cash flows, your personal finance. This pocket money is your personal finance right now. It is important to keep track of this personal finance, because if you are not aware of or if you do not pay attention to this cash flow, the money received and money that you spent, one fine day you will be in a big financial problem. I mean the financial difficulties. You may run short of money. Right? That's why it is important to keep the track of the money coming and money going out from you. That means money you receive and the money you spend. If you keep record of the money that you receive and the money that you spend, will also do good to you. Supposing your parents want to know how you have spent your money, you will be in a better position to tell them how you have spent your money. Once you give them the record that you have kept, they will be delighted to see that how well you have managed the money, and you may be rewarded with more pocket money. So be careful. You may get more pocket money if you have kept proper account. Now let's see how important it is for the business organization or for any business. Take for example, you want to start a business and you invest say rupees 1 lakh in the business. After a period of say 6 months, you want to know the progress made by your business. You want to know how much your money has grown to. What is the profit made by your business? Or what is the total purchases made? What is the sales figure? How much of cash you have in the bank account of the business? you will definitely want to know all these things. So if record has been kept for all these things, if a proper record has been kept for the money received and money spent on various purposes, your accountant will be able to provide you with all the information that you require. You'll exactly come to know whether your business has made a profit of 5,000, 10,000 and so on, the sales figure, the purchase figure, what is the amount you need to receive from Mr. X, what is the amount you are going to pay to Mr. Y, and so on. So it is important at the end of the period to know the progress made by the business. And in order to know the progress made by the business, it is important to have all this data. And to get this important data, the record has to be kept. And this is what accounting does. This is what accounts are all about. Collection of financial information, that means information related to money, or you can say information having monetary value. Then recording this financial information in a proper way, processing this financial information and generate financial data like profit, loss, sales, and provide it to the owner or other people who require this data. Government for its tax, bank or financial institutions who have provided financial assistance to the business, supplier of goods, the employees, all these people are related to the business, so they want to know about the business. They want to know how the business is doing. So here lies the importance of accounting. So at the end I can say no business can be done without accounting. Where there is business, there is accounting. And accounting provides valuable information to the business owner as well as to the people associated with the business. So at the end I would say accounting means collecting of financial information, recording the financial information, processing this financial information to generate meaningful information, and providing this data, the financial data, to the people who require them. So in next video, I'm going to tell you what are the chapters that you all need to study in class 11 and also the question pattern. Thank you.